Hey guys, welcome to the daily crypto vision of Jan Robert Schut of Crypto Academy. We see that the market is now a little bit consolidating around the 8,000 mark with Bitcoin, even 8,100, and BTC dominance is ticking up again towards 64%. And the total amount of cryptocurrencies are creeping up again to 5,170. The total market cap is trading now at $230 billion, whereas Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP are always number 1, 2, and 3. And Bitcoin has a market cap of more or less $148 billion, $22 billion for Ethereum, and a meager $10 billion for XRP. All the coins are into the plus, also Bitcoin, Satoshi Vision, Litecoin, also Tezos, 12% higher. That's a big boomer today. Chainlink 4% higher, Cardano as well, Stellar 7% higher, Tron, Monero as well 4.2% higher. And on the scope of news, there is a startup Vega, a test blockchain focused on derivatives trading products, and there is an article on Cointelegraph. And blockchain startup Vega has launched a testnet for its protocol, which allows parties to build trading products on a decentralized network. Over the last 2 years, Vega has been working on building a protocol that allows people to deploy and run networks that can trade decentralized derivatives effectively. Vega co-founder Barney Mannering told Cointelegraph in an interview recently. And Vega received over $5 million during its 2019 funding round, seeing investments from players such as Pantera Capital and Ripple's Xspring. Vega has launched a testnet for its software, offering partners and investors the opportunity for involvement before opening the offering to the entire community. And Mannering said, he added, quote, "Over the next few weeks and months we are going to allow people to start using the testnet work to understand how the protocol works and to give us feedback on what's been built, and that's effectively part of a roadmap that leads up eventually to the release of a production ready version of the software," unquote. And Vega has its own blockchain tailored for markets and trading products, offering participants the chance to launch trading products on something other than currently available broad spectrum blockchains. And current blockchains such as Ethereum are not specifically made to host trading markets built on top of them. And Vega's blockchain specifically caters this needs according to Mannering. And Vega's offering is essentially infrastructure software, Mannering explained, although it is different than what Amazon Web Services or AWS and others are doing in their brick and mortar type of offerings. Quote, "AWS is operated by Amazon, whereas what we're building is kind of like the node software that can be used to run that blockchain, but once it hits the production environment, that won't be operated by us," unquote, Mannering said. Quote, "It will be operated by the participants and the people who want to use it," unquote. And Mannering also continued, pointing to the similarity with AWS. Once people deploy this and to start to use it, they will be able to create and trade on derivatives markets and whatever they want, he said. And Vega's co-founder likened the operation to infrastructure software that allows easy access for entities to build trading products and markets. That's sort of a bit like how AWS enables people to create web applications or databases without having to know as much about the underlying hardware. He explained the Mannering again, however, specified the difference that Vega is not running the servers and data centers behind the operation. And Vega aims for its software to be an open network similar to Bitcoin or Ethereum, allowing interested parties to build on it. And although the software is not open source quite yet, decentralized finance, or short DeFi, has gained prominence in the market over the last few years, with projects such as Celsius offering participants access to the crypto-based loans away from centralization, and Vega adds to the DeFi space, offering another way people can engage in alternative finance. Sounds very promising, actually, and especially as a trader. If you take a look at the Bitcoin, and the Bitcoin on a weekly basis, here we see the Trade Navigator as an exit of the buy signal. of the buy position. So definitely finally it's flat. And if you take a look at the buy exit today, and that is actually this week happening. This arrow is not finished yet. We have to wait till the end of the week, but it's very promising that no, not very promising, it's not good, because it has been slashed down around the 8,000 level, and here it is. And the bar, it's a kind of doji, you cannot see it that well, but the market is now trading around 8,100 and is exactly the stop loss level. And buy exit is now actually confirmed by the signal today of the week. And people who are a little bit less aggressive and they don't want to be on the market or in the market now, and they have to wait for the re-entry or new buying signal, that means that the blue line has to be above the purple one at least. And the market is also have an upsloping tendency, but it's not upsloping, it's now a little bit in the corrective phase. For now, I wish you a very pleasant evening. Go to our website cryptoacademy.nl. Hasta la vista. Bye.